Well, we are leaving the Steens Mountain Resort. I was tempted to stay. I found a spot for a tent that had power, had shade, you know, it fit the truck. $20, but they're not open on Sundays, so I don't have any access to the store. Can't buy anything if I want to. I can't get the bathroom codes unless I, you know, pay online. I just didn't want to deal with all that, so I realized the whole purpose of this trip isn't to stay in campgrounds, it's to find the natural stuff, so I decided to leave. And I hope I made the right decision. I think I did. We're gonna go up in the mountains where it's not so hot. So this is the Blitzen River. Wow. It's got water in it. That is neat. Now, it looked like a really nice campground. It was huge. Oh, here's the Page Springs campground. This is free, I think. Let's check this out. Basically, I mean, $20 is cheap, but I'm trying to do this trip really cheap, and I keep doing that, it's gonna add up quick. There's all kinds of water here. There's probably a lot of bugs. It's one of the reasons I kind of want to get up into the mountains too. And it's 2:30, I got plenty of time. Kind of want to get out of this heat also. But I want to show you all what these campgrounds look like, in case you come to the area ever. I mean, this is surrounded by water. Campground looks really nice though, potentially. Page Springs Recreation Site, U.S. Department of the Interior, Bureau of Land Management. You got full service here too, full cell service. It's $8, that's not bad. I'm checking cell service, make sure it actually has data, and it looks like it is really fast. Yeah, it's fast. So this is a good place if you want cell service. But we're gonna head down the road, or down the campground road, and check it out. Wow, there's a wetlands going through the campground. I bet money there's mosquitoes here tonight. I don't want that. There's sites available. Got a camp post. Another little river going through the campground. A creek just crossed. It's not a bad campground, really. I mean, if you want cell service. I just don't know about the bugs. Like, I can't imagine they're very good. That guy's living the life. It is a big campground. It's actually, for a primitive campground, it's actually really nice. Oh, this is a hiking parking lot here, it looks like. Huh. So you got hiking trails in the area. Wow, this would be fun to stay at. Oh, tempted. I got too much ground to cover though. I'll look that up on my trail maps now that I know the campground's here and see how long that hiking trail was. My guess is it's pretty long. Yeah, this is a neat campground. Huh, they got a well house right there in this campsite. This is definitely neat. Oh, here's a spot with tons of shade. It's taken. Wow, that's an awesome spot. Except you got the creek literally right behind you. Not crazy about bugs, you probably already know. This R-Pod has a nice spot. Oh, the one next to it's nice. Spot 25. I could totally camp there. I gotta get moving though. But yeah, I definitely recommend the Page Springs campground. It looks very nice. Potential hiking trail in the area. I just don't know. I would be sad if I don't camp in altitude, and it's really neat. Don't get that chance very often. Two neat dogs at that campsite back there. Well, I think I'll stop this video when I get to the road. This will just be like a short 5, 6, 7 minute video of the campground. Or I'll add it to the other campground and make the campground video of both campgrounds. It's nice not being on the washboard road. But that was Page Springs Campground, so we're just exiting. So thank you for watching this video, however I put it together. And we're going to get back on the Steens Mountain Loop.